Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand induction cooktop and you're getting an error E7010 and you're wondering what's going on and what can I do to get rid of it. So if you're getting this E7010 error, the reason you're getting it is because the cooktop is unable to connect to your home network or the hood. So the first thing to try to do to get rid of this is just to simply turn your turn the cook stove on, off, and then back on. And the error might go away. Now, if that doesn't work, step 2 is to do the same thing but to take it a step further and do a hard reset on it. And so that would be actually unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the breaker if it's hardwired. Just turn the switch off and leaving it off for 30 seconds to a minute, and then turning it back on. And hopefully it was just a one-off occurrence where for some reason the machine failed to communicate, the cooktop failed to communicate properly, and this error will not come back. And if it does come back, then at this point you're going to need to call for service because it's not something that can just be easily fixed. It's something within the electronics of the machine. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.